Hello everyone. So I've not done a video for a long while, but anyway, so engine time. So the brakes are done and ready. This is going off to be cleaned up. I don't think it actually needs all that much of a clean up. There's one thing that's slightly, if I can just get this to go around slightly, I don't know whether you can just make it out, but just here, little blemish. I don't think it's anything to worry about. Any engine bods out there who know the Pinto engine, well, I better know others, Graham from Penguin Motors, that'd be nice to get a comment on that. But I think we're okay. I'm just going to give these a wipe down. I don't know why, but I need a pulley to, well, something to whiz that off, but I'll take the crank out. So this will go off, and I'm going to, by all accounts, have it rebuilt. So this, just for anyone who hasn't seen the other videos, this is going to be a 2.1 Pinto. I've got the aluminium, they're in that box there, the aluminium 93mm pistons. The bores look relatively okay, if you can see through there. Oh, hold on, what's that? It's probably a bit of dirt. Yeah, we'll call it dirt. They look seemingly fine. The shells themselves, there's nothing that stands out too badly on these. Again, if anyone wants to comment, by all means they can do. Now, I've got a funny feeling that this, given the lack of wear, drag that over, I don't think this has been run all that much. Again, if anyone wants to comment, but I don't think that's seen all that much life at all. But again, comment on this. It's going to be a bit of a long one, so by all means let us know. Oh, whilst I think on, does anyone know whether you can get a replacement one of these? This is the V-belt pulley that would normally power the alternator in this instance. Does anyone know where you can get one of those that doesn't weigh a bloody ton? Aluminium would be nice, but I'm not too sure whether there's pros and cons with that. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, the usual stuff. Engine's going to be done. There's all sorts of weird and wonderful crap going on in here anyway. So, catch you all later. Bye.